Hi, this is Jennifer from Ohana Dwellings, and today we're going to be going over how to use the More button. Navigate to the 3D Configurator, go to the More button, which is located underneath the texture. Click on the More button, and this will bring up the More panel. This box, you have a number of different pre-programmed colors that you can select and apply, or you can enter in using a color picker. You can also enter in the color codes for more precision. And then one of my favorite options is to take a picture of the texture that you're wanting to apply and then upload that picture. It's really important that you try to find an evenly lit, flat texture. So let me show you what I mean. So here we have some stucco that I've taken a picture of. Select that, press open. Press apply this texture, give it a second to load, and it will apply that picture texture to the area that you are looking to customize. So you can see with this particular example, you don't really see the seams because it's a very busy texture and it's very evenly lit. So it's applying the texture really nicely. Let's use a texture that's not as evenly lit or as even or busy. We'll use this wood. This would mainly be used to show the color, but you can see here there is a seam. This particular function is mainly to give you a general idea, not a precise idea. Okay, let's talk about this box right here in the center. Use AI to create a texture. This is an experimental feature, so results will definitely vary, but we will go ahead and show you how to use it. So let's say you want to do some different kinds of siding. You want to make sure that you type in flat and seamless, generate image, give it a second. The AI will create an image and you can either reset it or you can apply this texture. So I will apply this texture and there you go. Let's talk about the next function in this section here. So let's go to AI Designs, and this will pull up the last 4 images generated by the design inspiration, which is this arrow right here. We'll have a separate video on how to use that tool. But for now, let's just take a look at this, apply that texture, and this will bring up the color palette that was generated by that design inspiration. So let's say we like the green, and that will apply the green. Let's say we want to try a different color or a different inspiration. Let's say we like this color right here. It will apply that color. Okay, let's talk about this last box right here, which is importing using the Ohana Clipper. First of all, you will need to be using Google Chrome. If you are not using Google Chrome, you can always upload textures through this choose the file. So you can save the texture from the website and then upload it that way. I'll show you how to do that real quickly. And let's choose this one right here. Save the texture, and then you can upload it right here. Apply this texture, and that will apply the texture. So that is one way to do it if you do not want to use the Clipper. If you do want to use the Clipper, which makes it really easy, download the Clipper from the Google Chrome store. It'll show up right here in this area, right here. Navigate to the site that you are looking at the different materials. So let's use Home Depot as an example. Look for something that shows the texture in a flat manner. So this one is not any good, this one's not good for applying it, but this one's really good. Go to the Ohana Clipper, choose on that image, this flat image right here. Go to next, and then this right here is going to be saved in your buyer dashboard. Make sure that you input whatever information you find valuable. Go to Save Product, it's going to save it, and then you go and click Refresh, and there is the image right there. Sometimes there'll be a white border around the edge, which you're going to want to crop out. This image does not have that, so we don't need to crop anything. So we'll just click Crop and Scale and apply this texture. Give it a moment, and there it is. It does give you a really good idea of the color and the variation of the pattern. Here we are at the buyer dashboard, and we have a full video on how to use this, but real quickly, I'll just show you how to access all of your product clips, sign in, and then it will be right here on the vision board. This is the Life-Proof Sundance Canyon Hickory that I just uploaded into the model. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we will be going over the AI design inspiration tool. We'll have a full video about that. See you in the next one.